Alright, hey everybody, what's going on? Today I'm just going to be showing you a little bit of coding actually. It's something I got into quite recently, and it's actually really handy. I like it. You can create shortcuts and a whole bunch of easy stuff with it. I started, well, the reason I'm making this because when I started I kind of didn't know where to start. Kind of had to look up a whole bunch of stuff, and it was like tricky. You had to see a whole bunch of YouTube tutorials, like is it good to start with C++ or Java, or like do I want to build games or what? So really I just kind of I thought I'd put this out there as just like a good place to start, and then you can move on from that to other things. So what you need to do first is download a program called AutoHotkey. It's free. It's a free program. You can get both versions, whatever you want, and it's quite handy. What it essentially allows you to do is remap keys to do whatever you want them to. So if you never use like your Windows I key, you can make that take you to like your favorite website or like log you into Facebook instantly. And what you can do a lot of things with AutoHotkey, like you can do a lot of things, but I'm going to start off with just the really basic things. I'll show you a really simple one today, but there's a lot more you can do with it. I'll show you. What you need to do is once you've downloaded and installed AutoHotkey, you need to go down to New and click on AutoHotkey script. You can name this whatever you want, like I'll just name mine Mick script. There we go. And you want to open this with not AutoHotkey. Don't open it with that because you have no code in there yet. You can't open it and run the code without anything in there. It just won't work. So you need to open it with Notepad, not AutoHotkey Unicode 64-bit. Open it with Notepad, and you can delete all that. That's just stuff you don't need. Anyway, so what you can start with is you can start with Windows, which is represented by hash, and then you can put any key you want. So I'm just going to start with Windows O. And then you want to do these two little things here. And this basically means after this, you want it to do... it shows what you want it to do. So in this next line, if I wanted to run a program, for example, I'll use my YouTube account, HTML link, and then I just paste that in there. I could have typed the whole thing out, but that'd be ridiculous to have to go back. So you just go run, and then whatever you want whatever you want your computer to run. It can be a YouTube thing, it can be a link, it can be iTunes. It can really be whatever you want it to be. And like I said, there's a lot more you can do with this, but this is just really the basic one for now. So as you can see, I've got it mapped. So when I press Windows O, it'll end this up here, and it'll say run this here, run this, and then it will take me to the web page, and I'll show you this. You gotta save it first. You can minimize it, and then the way you get this to work is I had a bit of trouble with this at first because nobody told me what to do, but you need to open it. It won't automatically save and work if all you've done is just use it and put the code into Notepad. What you actually need to do is run it with AutoHotkey Unicode 64-bit. So you need to run it, and then you see here, that won't come up, but it's just I already had another script running that had Windows O used. But now if I click Windows O, it'll take me here to Sneaky Leopard. See? YouTube account. Hurrah! Oh, I had that already open. But yeah, once again, if I just press, I can't show you a video of my hands unless I'm recording my hands, but Windows O, you can do just 2 button clicks, and there you go. Back to my page. Now, you can disable these scripts at any time. Like, it's not like they're always going to be running, which is what I like. As you can see here, in the running programs I have down here, like programs I have running, if I go into AutoHotkey, I see the one that has a H on it. I just click on it. No, not click, sorry. If I right click on it, like if I'm sick of this script, if I don't want it to run anymore, I'm over it, I'm never going to use it, just right click on it and just go exit. And then it won't run that script anymore. So if I press Windows O, it'll just give me that sound. See, it won't work unless you run it with Unicode, AutoHotkey. And then as you see here, it shows back up down here, and Windows O will work again. I think I'll make another video on this, just giving you a little brief insight into messages and other things you can allow it to pop up. But for now, that's all I'm gonna put in this one. So thanks for watching, and if you want more, be sure to like and subscribe and check out my other stuff. So yeah, thanks. Bye.